beautiful living area space. And as you can, so this is what your kitchen area space again looks like, and this is your bedroom area space after that small entrance. So why exactly is Sattva Lake Ridge creating chaos in Hyderabad's real estate market? You see, because in a city full of luxurious projects, this is the only one that is giving you 11 feet ceiling in this area, imported Italian marble in every room, and 2 families per floor and a private elevator. All of this just near your lakeside view. Now, why exactly should you trust this project and a builder? Because behind this project is Sattva Group, which has been working for the past 15 consecutive years. The same builder whose Sattva Knowledge City is recognized as one of the best tech parks in all of Asia. So here's presenting Sattva Lake Ridge by Sattva Group. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the first Sattva Lake Ridge by Sattva Group, and this project is located on the Kokapet Sells Main Road, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, this is the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is just at a walkable distance from here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Not unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now let's talk about the project. So this project is constructed on 9.5 acres of land parcel and it features 6 towers with 2 basements, 3 podium ground and 37 floors. It includes 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residences. You see, the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities which includes your grand clubhouse that is going to be 65,000 square feet. You will find here swimming pool, multi-purpose court and a lot more. Coming over to the location part, like I mentioned, this project is located on your Kokapet Sells Main Road, Hyderabad. Now from here, your Nehru Outer Ring Road, your High-Tech City area, your Kokapet Lake is only a few minutes away. Connectivity, the Nehru Outer Ring Road is just 1.8 kilometers away, the Kokapet Lake is just 2.2 kilometers away, and your Continental Hospital is just 5.0 kilometers away from here. So hello everyone, now we will be doing the sample flat tour for Sattva Lake Ridge and the configuration is going to be 2744 square feet. Let's get this video started. Now as we enter, you have this beautiful living area space. And as you can see, this living area space is extended all the way from that corner up to this corner. And if you may have noticed one more thing, as soon as we entered the house, if you can see, the height ceiling given inside of this is 11 feet, which means it is extremely designed perfectly. Now if you notice, you have this centerpiece area space as well again, in which you can add your dining table, which also can be extended because of the huge spacious space given inside the house. Now another thing to notice about this house is that you have marble flooring done inside of the house, which means it is imported. And then you have this another living area corner space. This also, as you can see, again is extremely spacious. You can add your couches, your tables, or redesigning it however you like. And then in most of the house you will find that the balcony area space is always small and squeezed, but for this project specifically, if you notice, the balcony area space is extremely huge, and I think that is the best part about this project, which means that you will have good amount of lighting, ventilation source coming inside of the house because the balcony extends from that corner up till this corner, and you'll also have a lot of space to add couches, tables, and this can be even used for inviting guests. Now right opposite to this area space, you will find your kitchen area. And the kitchen area has an opposite common area as well, which is another spacious area that we'll talk about later. Now first, entering into your kitchen area space. So this is what your kitchen area space again looks like, and as you can see, the kitchen also has your proper 11 feet ceiling, which means that a lot of storage units can be placed inside the entire kitchen, and that is another second best part about the project, because most of the times we need proper storage units inside the kitchen. And if you notice, the tiling and the flooring that has been done inside this is also Italian marble flooring, which again adds luxury to the project. And then you have a lot of space for adding your fridge, your electrical kitchen appliances, and a lot more. And then right opposite to that, you will find your utility area space, which is just openly attached to your kitchen. So you have this long elongated space where you can add either 2 washing machines, you have electric switches as well, and you can even add an extra drainage system if you would like to add your laundry here. And if you notice, you have huge window systems as well everywhere inside the house, which again adds up to the point of that this project provides you with proper natural lighting and ventilation inside the house. Now going inside your open area space that has been added inside this. This is the other good feature about the project. So this can be used as your study area. If you want, you can even turn it into your guest meeting. And again, in this area as well, you will find your huge window system. Like I mentioned about the ventilation and everything. And if you notice here also, you will be having your wooden floor touching given to the unit area. Now entering into our first bedroom, this is directly very close again to your living cum dining area space. So this is what your bedroom looks like. Now if you've seen in most of the projects, as soon as you enter, the space is really small. But for this project specifically, you have this unique area space. You have a small entrance space on that opposite corner, and then comes your bedroom area space. Now the other good part about the room is that so you have your first open area space for the bed, and then behind the bed also you can redesign your bed. You can even turn it like this. You can add an extra study table on the opposite corner. And then like I mentioned, this house has 11 feet ceiling, so you will also find huge 11 feet windows inside your room, which again is your source of ventilation, directly adding lighting inside. Now talking about your entrance area space. So this is what your entrance area space looks like. This is also again very spacious. You have your proper closet system area designed, and then comes your unique washroom area that is opposite to it. Now if you look at the tiling that has been done inside the washroom, and the flooring also again is very unique design, and again gives you instantly that modern touch. You have your mirror system with lighting system involved, and again you have a huge window system for your exhaust inside your washroom as well. Now right opposite to that, you will find your second bedroom, and for this you first have this open common area wash basin space, which again is perfect because you can design your dining area space close to that, which can be used by guests, and opposite to that you will find your common washroom area space. Now for a common washroom area space, we have seen in most of the projects, it's really small, but this one, as you can see, is designed very beautifully, especially your tiling that has been done and your flooring again that has been done, and you have separate system inside the washroom, which means in common washroom space also you have a proper shower system, and you will find your exhaust fan area on the other side. And then opposite to that comes your second bedroom area space. This again, if you notice, is extremely spacious. You have your first small walk-in area space, where opposite to that you can add your wardrobe system, and then comes your bedding area space. Now if you notice, beside your bedding area space again you have this huge area space. If you want, you can accessorize the home like this or design it as per your choice. Now this room of course comes with your balcony system, and if you notice, the balcony again here also is 11 feet high ceiling, and this balcony easily attaches ends up till the other side of the corner, and again is extremely spacious for a private bedroom balcony. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you all that you need to know about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours. Not just that, but you will also find EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details, and pros and cons of the project as well. You will also find a 360 virtual tour of the project. If you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to Housey's official website and you can also download the e-brochure and the pricing sheets. Now, let's enter into the master bedroom. Now, if you notice, as soon as we enter in the master bedroom, we have this first common area space. So you can turn this by adding your dressing area table. You have proper light switch as well again given. And because the house is proper 11 feet ceiling, it makes it much better for you to add a huge mirror system as well, or design it however you like. Now this is your bedroom area space after that small entrance. If you notice, after adding the bed as well, on both of the sides you have a lot of walkable area space, which is very important when considering a room. And then, like how uniquely it's designed, even after adding a bedding system, you might have a lot of area space to add behind a wardrobe system. If you want, you can design it like that, or if you want, you can place your wardrobe even outside the room as well. And then this room also covers up your 11 feet ceiling glass window. This again is perfect, providing you proper ventilation inside the room. You have this area space also again left, where if you want, you can either add a small TV there on the corner or your bookshelf and design it however you like. And now talking about your washroom, right opposite to that, you will find your washroom area space. Now if you see, this is designed also again very uniquely. Your tiling and flooring here again is completely different. And your toiletry system and your shower system are both of them are again separated, and you have your exhaust fan. You also have your mirror lighting system. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about the project. For more such amazing walkthroughs of our project, do not forget to visit Housey's official website.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.